Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we will discuss about crate versus wolf snake. So why it is important to discuss between these two snakes? First of all, crate is a poisonous snake while wolf snake is a non-poisonous snake. So it become important in terms of treating the victim, that we must know the difference between crate versus wolf snake. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will discuss about characteristics of crate snake. So, crate snake, here we are discussing about common crate. It is also called as Bungarus caroleus. Crates can be recognized by a body that is triangular in cross section. Crate body is triangular in cross section, and crate's color is generally jet black or bluish black color, and the bands on the crate are more prominent posteriorly. It means that on anterior part of the body bands will not be present, and it will become more prominent as we go backwards posteriorly, these white markings. And these white markings usually occur in pair in crate snake, and crates are nocturnal. Crates usually come out. Crates are nocturnal snakes, okay. And crates are ophiophagus. It means that crates eat snakes. They are snake eaters. And as they are night snakes, so generally bites happen around midnight. And it has very small teeth. So most of the time fang marks are not visible at where crate bites. Its venom is neurotoxic venom, and it's belong to family Elapidae. And the neurotoxic venom, as its venom is neurotoxic, it causes muscle paralysis, and it has presynaptic neurotoxin. Its toxin is also called as bengarotoxin. Symptoms: what are the symptoms? Symptoms are, after 4 to 5 hours the patient will get severe cramps in stomach, irritation in whole body, and start with and then vomiting. The main guarded sign is that sleepiness comes in, and coma within 8 to 10 hours with tosses is that eyes become droopy. So this shouldn't be happen. If this happened, then it is very difficult to reverse back the effect of common grade toxin. Okay, so let's again discuss briefly that it's triangular in cross section. Its band are more prominent posteriorly. It's bluish black or jet black in color, and its band usually occur in pairs. And it has neurotoxic venom, and it is nocturnal. Okay, and severe cramps in stomach, then vomiting, then sleepiness and coma, and that is guarded sign. Okay, so now let's discuss about wolf snake. First of all, wolf snake is non-poisonous snake. Okay, it is non-venomous. It has large, sharp front teeth, so it is called as wolf snake. That is similar to wolf. It is brownish in color, chocolatey brownish or reddish in color. It has distinct flat head, broader than neck. Its head has clear distinction between body and head than its neck. Okay, white bands. As you can see that there are white bands also in common crate and also in wolf snake. But these white bands are broader in case of wolf snake, and they do not occur in pair. You can see it is occurring in pairs here, but in case of wolf snake it is not in pairs. And one more difference is, as I told you earlier also, that in case of common crate these bands are more prominent posteriorly, while it's not true in case of wolf snake. Look, in case of wolf snakes, bands start from anteriorly, start right from the neck. Okay, and it is also nocturnal like common crate. Now let's see the difference between common crate and wolf snake. So first of all, common crate is venomous while wolf snake is non-venomous. Common crate is venomous, and its venom is neurotoxic. Its color is jet black or bluish black, while wolf snake color is brownish or chocolatey brownish or reddish in color. And there is no distinction between head and neck in case of common crate, while there is clear distinction between head, neck, and body in case of wolf snake. And the white bands are narrower in case of common crate. In case of wolf snake, these white bands are also broader, and In case of common krait, these white bands are in pair, while in case of wolf snake, they are not in pairs. Okay, thanks a lot. I think, I hope that you must get something, some difference between common krait and wolf snake. Okay, thanks once again. Thank you.